Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a #1 cap for Dad. So let's get started. To draw this cap, we're going to first start by drawing a big curve. So I'm going to start by right here and just go all the way up, kind of like drawing a big dome. So you go all the way up and come back down. And so when I come back down right here, I'm going to stop a little bit higher than where I started. So I'm not going to be at the same level. I just want to make sure I stop a little bit higher. And so that's the first curve we want to draw. And from there, we're going to connect this curve. So I'm going to come here and just draw a softer curve coming up to about right here. Just start to draw my curve. Kind of aiming for this area. But as I get to this part right here, let's go a little bit more. Just imagine there's going to be the visor part right here. So about right here, I'm going to angle it up. So that's why we're stopping a little bit higher. So about, say right here, I'm just going to angle it a little bit more and bring it up. So that's the shape we're aiming for now. And then from there, let's draw the visor part. So I'm going to come from this corner right here and just bring out an angle line. And start to round it off. And then I'm going to flatten it out a little bit. So I'm kind of following this curve right here. So flatten it out a little bit. And then I'm just going to aim for this area and bring it in. So go all the way and bring it in. And right back to here. So then from there, let's come to the center. Let's find the center of this huge curve right here. So it's about, let's say right here. Give myself a little point, and from there I'm just going to draw a little curve right on top of it. So this is the center of my cap. From there, let's add some details. So the first line I'm going to draw is the side line right here. So I'm going to come to the center. Everything is going to radiate from the center. I'm going to come right here and just draw one parting line for the panels. So I'm going to come all the way down. So I'm basically following that outside curve. And because I know I'm drawing this cap for Dad and I want to put a heart right here, I'm going to stop about right there and draw a heart. And then continue my line down. So as you notice, my heart is at the angle, the perspective of the hat. So then from there, I'm going to come in this area once again and draw another curved line that comes to the center of this. So I'm just imagining a curved line coming to the center. About right there. And then I'll just stop right there because I am going to, well, let me bring this down a little bit more. So I'm just going to come about right there. So it's going to continue to about right here. So I'm just going to give myself a little point. So I'm going to attempt to bubble in the number sign right here. So this is going to be my guide and I'm not going to pass this line. So I'm going to come about right here. Let's see. It's like drawing a little puzzle. Okay, so I got my top part in. This is basically these T's on all the corners. I'm going to come out. Do the same thing on the other side, but flipped. And there. So then now the easy part is to just come inside here and fill it with a square. Yay! Okay, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And then now I'm going to put the #1 right here. So notice everything I'm doing right here is at this angle. Basically, I'm following this as my guide. So I'm going to come about right here and draw the #1. So however you want to draw it. So once again, I'm just following this angle. There, so #1. And now to draw the word Dad. So I'm going to use this as my center once again. I'm going to come in this area right under and just draw a little angle line. And this is going to be my A. So it's nicely in the center. And I'm just going to follow this bottom line once again. My center. And then come in here, fill it in. And let's see here. So I'm going to put the D. It's going to be at this weird angle. And fill it in. And one more. So obviously it's not a perfect. I don't even know if the perspective is correct, but at least it tricks the eye to making it look like it works, right? So there. Okay, now I'm just going to bring this line down and all the way there. So I have my panels in, my center button, and the visor part of this cap. So there, my #1 cap for Dad. Hope this inspires you to draw your own cap for your father this Father's Day. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.